Hey there, tech lovers. Today, we're diving into the world of skincare with the TULA Skin Care on the Go Bestsellers Travel Kit. This kit is packed with all the essentials you need for healthy, glowing skin on the go. TULA combines powerful probiotic extracts and skin superfoods to give you healthy, balanced, and radiant skin. All their products are clean, clinically proven, and effective without containing live cultures. This 4-step skincare regimen includes the purifying cleanser, polished scrub, hydrating day amp, night cream, and vitamin C serum, giving you everything you need for beautiful skin. Whether you're packing for a trip or just the gym, this kit has everything you need in travel size, plus a stylish TULA blue bag. No matter where you go, your skin will stay glowing, radiant, and smooth. Suitable for all skin types, this kit is perfect for balanced, combination, mature, and dry skin. Plus, with TULA's worry-free 30-day return policy, you can try it out and see the amazing results for yourself. So why wait? Click the link in the description to grab your TULA Skin Care on the Go Bestsellers Travel Kit and say hello to healthy, glowing skin wherever you are. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to stay tuned for more tech and skincare tips. Thanks for watching.